I'm a realtor and I want more probate listings. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro Law Firm, and we're going to explain the dynamic between the probate estate and realtors. Let's unpack this. First, a probate estate is the administration of the financial affairs of a person that has died. It's governed by the probate court, and the person appointed by the probate court is called the personal representative. It is that person that has the legal authority to list and ultimately sell the real estate. Now, on the other hand, we have realtors. Realtors are interested in gaining listings from probate lawyers because it's a good source of referrals. So how does a realtor have an opportunity to engage or to grow their network of relationships with probate lawyers? At the Probate Pro, we work with the best in the business. We always steer our probate estates to realtors who do the best work. But if you're a realtor trying to find more leads, what you want to do is ensure that your network is built or strengthened by establishing relationships with lawyers that are doing probate work. There's a few ways to do this. As it relates to the lawyers themselves, of course, your friends, your family, and your network, as well as community organizations that you can be involved in, you should let those lawyers know that as a realtor, you would be able to assist them in selling the properties that may be going through their probate estates. In addition, the bar associations have listings of lawyers and their specialties, meaning their areas of practice. So those that are practicing probate, you can market directly to those lawyers, as well as these affinity groups like estate and probate planning sections of the Bar Association, as well as other organizations. There are also public administrators. These are a group of lawyers who within each county have certain authority to act, and you can market to those public administrators your desire to work with them in selling realty. In addition, there's some things you can do through the probate court, but what I want to let you know is that the greatest way to establish a long-standing relationship with a probate lawyer is doing a great job on behalf of that lawyer when the opportunity arises. So for example, overly communicating with the lawyer to let them know what they need, doing a good job on behalf of the personal representative, both communication as well as advocacy through the sale process. And then, of course, making sure that you reduce the burden and load on the lawyer and perform your role as realtor to the highest possible level. If you perform your job as a realtor and prove yourself over and over again, the lawyer is going to have great trust in you. So when they have the option of selecting a realtor, they'll consider you. This is the way it works at the Probate Pro Law Firm. Now, you also can go and explore the public record. And what I mean by that is the probate court's records are public records. You can search through and identify probate estates, identify who the personal representative is, or in a trust context, who the trustee is, and market directly to them and offer your services. These files, you can actually go in and review the information to get a better understanding of whether there's real estate or no real estate. In addition, a lot of realtors will market directly through the affidavit of publication or the publication notice that occurs within the legal news. This is often done at the beginning of a probate administration, so that rather than going and searching the public record at the probate court, you're simply reviewing the newspaper clippings and identifying the estates that have been opened. And some of these are occurring, of course, now online versus a traditional newspaper. So you can market directly to those people. Now, as a lawyer, I get lots of these, sometimes dozens a day of realtors seeking our involvement in listing properties because of our size of our probate practice. And again, we want to work with the best in the business. So we want those people that are doing the work on behalf of our clients to do an extraordinary job. So if you've got the opportunity to work with a probate lawyer, nail it. Do a great job so that they'll want to use you over and over again. At the Probate Pro, we are passionate about everything probate. If you have questions about this issue or any issue, reach out to us at theprobatepro.com or visit us at 833-PROBATE.